Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think this is a big wave A. I still believe this is three waves down for an A, B, C, or B. And I do believe that we are going up to make a wave C, which I still think this wave C is probably going to end up going all the way up to about this 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected at the bottom of this A, B, C correction. So let's keep that in mind and head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can see the last ABC correction right here. I do believe that was the end of a correction. We made a higher low. It looks like a 1-2, and we're in a wave 3. We are approaching this swing high level, which is probably going to be an area of resistance. So I'm sure it will break that level and then probably pull back. But I'm sure that it will just keep on trending up, probably all part of this wave 3 of wave C. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see, first of all, the big ABC correction, and then we have a little minor ABC correction right here. Then we have what I think is a 1-2, and we're still in a wave 3. Now, like I said, I do expect to see some resistance around this area. We probably will have a pullback, which is actually very good for us because at the end of those pullbacks is where we will be looking for longs for the continuation of this big uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we had a pullback right here. It definitely did make three waves down right to the 23% and definitely made a nice impulsive move up. It did break this high. I bet it's actually going to keep going up, probably at least to break this high. And then I'm sure we probably will see another pullback before it actually does continue the uptrend. So if you see this break structure, then you see a pullback, that the end of that pullback is going to be the entry that I'm looking for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we actually have a very clear end of a correction right there. Three waves down, impulsive up, and it's been going up ever since. And we have a nice impulsive down right here for that wave A. We have a little three-way pattern up for the B, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. Well, right down to the 23%. Nice impulsive move up, broke structure. This is probably a 1, 2, 3 also. I bet it's going to continue up, probably at least around these highs before we see another pullback. And at the end of that next pullback is going to be another good entry to go long, I believe, for the continuation of the uptrend. All the higher time frames are definitely still telling me that the trend is up. Shorter time frames are going to continue to look for three-way pullbacks for entries to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.